It's your girl, Lil True.
And Big Theo.
And today, I got some crawfish for y'all. Y'all, today, I am super excited to eat this food. I got some garlic butter over here, some sticky rice. Big Theo prayed off camera. We got some crawfish, egg, potato, some jumbo tiger shrimp. And I'm ready to eat. Are you ready to eat? Before we get into any more details, let's run our intro. And that quick, we're back. Y'all, I'm so excited to eat this. We haven't had a crawfish mukbang yet on the channel. And since the relaunch, we about to get into it. This is 2 pounds of crawfish. Extra garlic. Yeah. If you are new, make sure that you subscribe if you like this type of content. Turn on these notifications so you don't miss another video. If you don't like this type of content, smacking, eating, real shit, buy. Heavy on the buy. Exit now. Got some masses. Hey, cuzzo. I got some massive tiger shrimp head on. Wow. So good. Make sure y'all follow me on Facebook. It's about to get messy. How you doing, cuzzo? It's juicy. Got that shell off. Did I? No. Not all of it. Got the shell off all now. Look at that shrimp. Look at that. We're going to dip it in this garlic butter. Wow. Let me bring it up close for y'all. And we got Cajun butter on the plate.
You okay? How are your arms up? Got some germs?
BRB. Oh shit. I think I'm fucking tripping out. Cause she's about to take me out. Hold on. That mild butter sauce is extra spicy. And when I inhaled, it almost took me out. They must use cayenne pepper. That's the only thing I can think of. Wow. Ooh, here I go dipping into it again, though. It's kind of good, but it hurt. Let me get an egg. Get an egg. Ooh. Wow. It's good though, y'all. Yes, it is. Got some rice back here. I'm gonna dip it in this Cajun butter sauce. Yes, I am. Y'all, my baby got a 100-day school project coming up. And we got to be creative and make a 100 school day project idea. I mean poster. So what I thought about doing was we nailed 100 days of school and put 10 nails on each finger. Isn't that cute? Yeah. I think it's so cute. Don't play with your food? Oh, yeah. So that's what I really got to do this week. And they said we could send in the Valentine's Day stuff when we get it ready. We already got it. So we gotta make those and send them in. I'm so grateful that, look at this claw, nice and big. We have been growing, and I'm grateful for the consistency of y'all coming back. Because we're not stopping. These shrimp are so big. These shrimp are huge. Like, they cover my face. Wow. I'm a little scared, y'all, to go back into this butter sauce down here. Whew. I got a nice video dropping for y'all on Sunday, so make sure y'all come back. And stay tuned. You gotta suck the head. It is so good. This Cajun butter sauce is good. It almost took me out, but we survived. It looks like I didn't put a dent in here, y'all, but I have. I really have. I think there's a lot of babies right here. Should I eat them? Or do I set them free? I'm gonna set them free. Oh shit, it's a lot. Should have ate their ass. Yeah, it's so good. Wow, let's get this corn and this sauce in here. But like I said, y'all order this from wow. A restaurant near me, I made these shrimp. I got these shrimp from Costco. They're huge. They're so big. They just take so much to peel, y'all. I know it seemed like I didn't eat a lot, but I did. Okay? And I hope you enjoy spending time with me. And make sure that you come back on Sunday. But I know we all got things to do and this video is getting kind of long, okay? So like I said at the end of every video, say it with me if you know. If you don't know, get with it if you're here to this point because you are definitely part of the family, okay? It's not a you doing you. So keep it true in everything that you do because it starts with you. And until the next video, peace. Let's run the outro.